Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're going to turn some milk into pepper jack cheese. The ingredients we're going to use for this recipe are 2 gallons of milk. If you don't have raw milk, you'll need calcium chloride. Stuff to clean it, our strainer for our curd, spoon, something to take our temperature with, cheese salt. Once we're done, we'll need to form our cheese. Well, since we're making pepper jack, we'll have some peppercorn, and I'm going to try ancho chilies instead of jalapenos. Your culture, and of course, your rennet. Come on, let's make some curds. Just like fermenting or brewing, the hardest part about all of it is just keeping everything sanitized and all the dishes you're going to have to do. The first step is to bring our milk up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we reach 90 degrees, we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of our culture in. Let it sit on top and rehydrate for a few minutes before stirring it in. Then cover and let it ripen for 45 minutes. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of our rennet. Stir vigorously for 30 seconds and let it rest for 45 minutes. After some time, we got some curd and a nice clean break. We'll cut it up with our knife into half-angle cubes. We're going to slowly heat the curd and cook it for the next half an hour up to 95 degrees. After 60 minutes, here's our result. It can form into a ball, but at the same time breaks up relatively easily. In our colander, we're going to separate the whey from the curds in our cheesecloth. In a pan, we're going to roast 1½ teaspoons of peppercorn and an ancho pepper, and then we'll put it in the blender. To our dried curd, we're going to add our pepper seasoning and 2 tablespoons of salt and mix. Now it's time to add our curd into our cheese press. Alright, it's the next day with our cheese. I waited with 5 pounds for an hour, and then I flipped it, and then went up to 15 pounds, flipping every couple hours. Let's take a look. Alright, setting cheese vision. It's fun. It's kind of like unwrapping a present. Not quite as formed as I'd like, but that's okay. Now we're going to air dry the cheese for 3 days and just cover it with a towel to keep dust off it. We've air dried our cheese for a couple days. We're going to vacuum seal it and then put it in the refrigerator for 3 to 6 months. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The hardest part about all this is going to be waiting the 3 to 6 months to taste the pepper jack. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. Ooh, hopefully in the cheesecloth. Let it sit for a couple minutes before and rehydrate before stir. Ugh. Oh, that's heavy. 5 outros. There's got to be one that works, right?